Here's a 2014 Fiat 500L. A beautifully designed utility vehicle, this 500L is more Fiat to have fun in. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and manual transmission. Car and Driver points out the high roof and huge front quarter windows lend the interior a capacious feeling, and the cabin's fun squircle-shaped design theme and its quality materials make it feel Euro stylish. Live assertively, drive a Fiat. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.